Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something.
Hello guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. I chopped my nails because I am now tired of wearing long nails. I told my stream this, but I'm just gonna be wearing almond nails now because I always go through these phases where I want to have super long nails and then I want to have short nails. So now I'm in the I want to have short nails phase, and I think I'll stay in this phase for a little bit. Maybe, we'll see. I always change my mind, so we will see. But for now, short nails. And today I'm just going to be working on my sleeve. I did not work on my sleeve last night. I was just so drained. And I was like, I really do not feel like knitting, so I didn't knit last night. But today I woke up and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to knit. I still have low energy, but I have some drive to knit, and I'm just going to do exactly that. I'll probably end up finishing like tomorrow morning, afternoon-ish, since I didn't take the time to knit last night, but it's okay. I will still be finished before Christmas. This is not a project that I want for Christmas. I just want to be finished by Christmas, since like I said before, I have been working on this for a while and I feel like it needs to be done. Anyway, yeah, that's the plan for today, and I'm just gonna continue knitting and hopefully I get a lot of progress. Okay, I have received some P.O. box stuff. I do have a P.O. box. People were asking me for it, so I put it in my Discord. I'm not gonna put it in my YouTube section because I just want people who actually want to send stuff have access to it, instead of like the entire internet, you know? Because if people are in my Discord, that means they actually want to be there, and rather than someone who stumbles on my video, you know? So the first one I'm actually not going to open because it is from my friend Alex. It says, oh, this is upside down. It says open carefully, if you can see there. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know what exactly is in here, but she wants to see my reaction, and I'll open it on stream tomorrow when I stream. But I'm excited because I think her pattern, her first knit pattern, is in there, and I'm excited to see what it is and make it. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm just so excited, okay? It's all the way from Sweden. Like, it traveled a long way, okay? Another one that I got in the P.O. box, which I'm surprised. I literally just put the P.O. box in my Discord and I already have a letter from someone. The name is Ms. Rachel Sells, and I'm not going to show the other side because the other side has an address on it, but this is so freaking cute. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to try to open it carefully. Carefully. I can't speak. Here is this Christmas card. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking cute. Look at the cats. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of my cats. This could be like Thunder. This could be like Onyx and Fury. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. The back says, bang on your car hood before starting the engine to make certain no cats have climbed underneath to stay warm. This is such good advice because people have definitely started their vehicles with cats in there, and that's not good. Anyway, this says, Kalila, happy holidays, wishing you and yours a very Merry Christmas and a joyous New Year. Hope your yarn is always soft and your year is free of frogging. That's so cute. Happy knitting and merry crochet. Merry Christmas. Yours always, Rachel. Oh my gosh, I know you. You always comment. She always comments on every single one of my videos. I love that so freaking much. Thank you so much. Is it Rachel or Rachel? I will say Rachel. Thank you so much for this card. I hope your year is free of frogging and that your yarn is always soft as well. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this has made me so happy. I love stuff like this. The P.O. box is open for anything you want to send. Letters, notions, little stitch markers, anything. Thank you so much. I love that so much. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And now my camera's dying, so I'm gonna go knit. Bye. Lunchtime. I got a salmon burger with jalapenos and mushrooms. Malika, what are you munching? Oh, she just ate. She has a falafel burger, and Kahila has a Greek lamb burger because yummy yummy. Also, I'm gonna stop eating meat in 2022. Let's see how long I can do. Sorry. Let's see how long I can do that. Yeah, bye. Alright guys, it is Advent time. I have gotten halfway through my sleeve. This is what my sleeve is looking like so far. And I'm going to continue working on it tonight so that tomorrow morning I do not have that much to do. And hopefully I can get to the ribbing before the afternoon time. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh, there's this new project that I want to do. I'll talk about it in tomorrow's vlog because I'm just so excited. Okay, anyway, yesterday's Advent was that the green and purple looking one?
Yellow. It's a yellow purple-ish.
I do not remember what yesterday's color. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it was like a greenish, yellowish, purplish. I was like, I do not remember. And I have no clue what today's zone is gonna look like, so I'm not even gonna guess, but day 22 is here. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Okay,
I'm ready.
okay. Close your eyes.
Let me do it the middle.
Ready? Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Okay. I have it out.
Okay. This is
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, look at this blue.
Blue.
I think this is my favorite one. Look at this color. Oh my gosh. It literally looks like a mermaid color. Like, I don't even think you can see how beautiful this is. I think like the color or the camera washes it out, but it is so pastel-y and nice. I have to show you from above. Oh my gosh. If this isn't the most beautiful fade ever, I don't know what is. This is for sure my favorite one, okay? Day 6. I like day 6. Day 6, day Ooh, there was another day I forgot. But this, day 22, oh my gosh. So this is yesterday's color. This is today's color. Look at how close in color they are, except there's a new color added and it's blue. And it makes this look so mermaid tail-esque. This one is kind of mermaid color too now looking at this. And it is so nice. Oh my goodness. This is getting me excited for tomorrow's colorway. Like I said, we may be going out with a bang, okay? Wait, first, look at Onyx. She's so cute. Wait, where is she? She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Seeing this yarn made me so happy, and this project that my sisters and I are going to work on next year. Oh my gosh. I will tell you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be so great. I'm so excited. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. Thank you to all the people who have been joining Discord and loving it there, showing off your projects. Also, thank you to Rachel, or Rachel, I think it's Rachel, for sending me that nice little letter in the P.O. box. That was so nice. Thank you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye!